This week we started working with phidgets and Arduino. Using the phidgets controller, I plugged it into processing and made a simple slideshow which I navigated through using a joystick. Then we started working with Arduino. I found that it was quite different from the phidgets controller. For example, you had to download the code into the Arduino device before you could play it. I managed to wire a potentiometer and connect it to LEDs to control its brightness. We learned a bit about how to power the device separately from a computer and where the digital inputs and outputs were in addition to the analog inputs and outputs. And finally, near the end of the week, I started working with Zigbees and transmitting a signal to another computer using the radio frequency protocol. It was kind of tricky to get the Zigbees up and running, but once you did, all you had to do was just plug them in and they would start transmitting their information. The other thing was that once you had a base station set up, you needed to take out the actual processor of the microcontroller when it was tethered to the computer so that it would not conflict with the Zigbee device.